तू अगर डबल सेवा करो, मैं अगर डबल स्टूडेंट करूं, मैं अगर जुगनल जुगनी सबको बातों को समझना शुरू, जुगनल
Now
तो भी
everyone see my screen properly.
हो जाता है ना। मोहम्मद
Everyone see my screen properly.
Yes.
Yes. No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
जब शादी की हुआ
Yes. 21.
Just wait a few minutes for other kids, then we continue.
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे फिर से लौट कर तो ऑब्वियसली सबने फिर से पूछा कि क्या हुआ। अभी अभी तो कह रहे थे कि भगत को किसी दुष्ट लोगों ने पत्थर मारना शुरू किया। कहने लगे मैं उस दरवाजे तक गया और उस मेरे भगत ने भी पत्थर उठा लिया। मैंने सोचा मेरा काम हो गया, इसलिए वापस आ गया। हसरत में कितनी बार अपने पत्थर खुद ही खा लिया। लेकिन तो कहता हूँ मेरा भरोसा है।
Okay. Now we continue. So our first state we call the pink city, that is Jaipur. Which city we call the pink city? Kanishka, please mute yourself. Kanishka,
बोलना पे लक्ष्य आज हमला
Kanishka, your background sound is so much is coming. Mute yourself.
उनके ऊपर मैं चल भी पाऊँ मुझे
Okay. Now, so first city we call the pink city. That's name is Jaipur. That's name is Jaipur. Now, why we call the Jaipur is pink city? See, Jaipur is a city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is a one city of Rajasthan. Okay, and it's full of color, full of the vibe, and in a history, 1876, one queen is coming and they like pink color most. Then the city name, we put the pink city. Got it, everyone? If everyone got it, so make a thumbs up. Arush, switch on the camera. Sure, got it? Okay. Now just write in your notebook. Okay. Now we move for next city, that is Blue City and Sun City. Blue City and Sun City nickname is
ये कौन हो रहा है जो भी आप हैं जो नहीं हो रहा है जो भी रहना समझो सभी के लिए समझो
Kanishka.
हो जाएगा
Kanishka, the background sound is too much.
हो जाएगा और इतना शासन अच्छा के समय में
Okay. Now we continue. So the pink, the Blue City and the Sun City name is Jodhpur. Blue City and the Sun City, the nickname of which city nickname? Jodhpur. The reason is in this area, most of the houses, most of the things, and this in area we can see the blue color rainbow. Blue color rainbow, and most of the things is blue color. Got it? Now everyone see my screen properly. Everyone see my screen properly? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, just tell me next. City of lake. Who tell me the meaning? You know what is lake? Everyone know what is the meaning of lake? Ryan, unmute yourself and just tell me you know. Hello. जी भैया। हाँ कहाँ पर है?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, the lake is a small kind of river that's called the lake. And the city of lake we calls the Udaipur because the famous lake, Lake Pichola in this city, and the many of the lake like Sagar Lake, Doop Lake. It's too many of the lake in this city, but famous lake is Lake Pichola. That's we called city of lake. Okay, got it, everyone? Now we are moving to the next city. The next city is also the city of lake, but this is second city name is Bhopal. And it's where is this is Madhya Pradesh. Where is it? The Bhopal is Madhya Pradesh. Okay.
The Madhya.
And why we call the same thing City of Lake? Because in a Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal and it's same like a Udaipur. Because here also too many of the lakes, artificial water bodies. Artificial water bodies means made by human. The two types of lake. First, natural, it's made by God, and second, artificial, that is made by human. The city of Bhopal, it's too many of the lake, natural, artificial. That's why we call the city of lake. So the two city nickname is same. That is Udaipur and Bhopal. That was it. Udaipur and Bhopal. Got it? Now the next was Merchant of India, Boston of India. India's first high-tech city is Ahmedabad. First Merchant of India, because in a Hyderabad is first city which started a business in other countries and other companies. That's why we call the Merchant of India. That's why we call the Merchant of India. Got it? Sure? Are you understand all the things?
Yes.
If you have any doubts, so just tell me, okay?
Okay.
Dhyan, I understood all the topic?
Yeah,
Yes.
understood all the topics.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
If you have any doubts, so just tell me. Kanishka, got all the point? Kanishka. Okay. Now we move to the... Yes, sorry.
Doubt in a 5 number.
Doubt in a 5 number. That is Ahmedabad, right? Yes. See, Ahmedabad is the first many of the name
Ma'am.
because it's the first city
Ma'am.
start business in other companies. That's why we call the Merchant of the India and the Boston of India. Okay? Now clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going for point 6. Diamond City of India. Diamond City of India is Gujarat. Because 90% diamond cutting in a Gujarat. Gujarat is a big diamond industry. That's why we call the city of Diamond City of India. Clear? Okay. Now move for the next city of...
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhyan.
I can see the screen only.
You can't see the screen. Okay, just wait. Now you can see.
Yes.
Okay. So we discuss about the point number 6. Diamond City of Gujarat. Listen, the Gujarat is a cutting 90% of the diamond in all over world, not in India, all over world. That's why we calls the Diamond City in a of India. Clear? Now we move for the next city of Nawab. The city of Nawab is Lucknow. Because in the 18th century, most of the Nawab rules of in Lucknow is a city of full of the Nawab's rules. That's why we call the city of Nawab. Got it? Now move to the next. Land of lychees and sweet city is Muzaffarpur. Where is it? In Bihar. The Muzaffarpur in Bihar. Okay? Bihar temperature is very warm, means very hot. And the things which is, and the Muzaffarpur is a very most of the lychees tree, and the lychee stays as a sweet. That's why we call land of lychee and the sweet city. Muzaffarpur is the 90% lychees tree in a Muzaffarpur. Got it? That's why we call the land of lychees. And lychee is a sweet food, is a sweet fruit. That's why we call also sweet city. Clear? Clear, everyone? Now move to the next. The next was leather city of the world is Kanpur. Okay. Leather means the which cloth made a shoes, wallet, belts. That calls that cloth we call the leather. Okay, bags. So the leather export and merchant is a Kanpur. That's why we call the leather city. Clear? Okay. Now just tell me, which city we call the pink city? Tell me the answer. Which city we call the pink city? Which city we call the pink city? Tell me. Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Which city we call the merchant of India? Which city we call the merchant of India? Kanishka, tell me the answer. Yes, Ahmedabad. Now just tell me, which city we call city of Nawab?
Lucknow.
Lucknow. Good. Now just tell me. Okay, now we are going the 10th city. Okay. Read the 10th city. This is city of Seven Iceland. Seven Iceland means seven different river. Gateway of India. City of Iceland, Gateway of India, finance capital of India. And one more thing, dream city of India. That is Mumbai. That is Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yes, sorry. Because the Mumbai is a cover all side of 7 rivers. Okay? And this rivers, this island, it helped into the India and going the other city using the ship. That's why we also call Gateway of India. Okay? Now, the 11th one, this is Deccan's Queen. Deccan's Queen means it's a Pune. Where is the Pune? This is Maharashtra. And in the weather is all time pleasant, cold, and that's why we call the Deccan Queen. Now the Orange City is Nagpur. Nagpur is also in Maharashtra, and this is the highest growing orange, and in their landmark orange price is very less, approx 10 to 12 rupees per kg. That's why we call the Orange City, because Nagpur is the highest grown orange. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Just wait a second, everyone. I just show the one thing. Okay. I show you the sum question. You just give me the correct answers. Okay. Wait a second. Everyone, just give me the first answer. Which city is known as Pink City? We can read in a first time. That is Jaipur. Which was Jaipur. Now just tell me, which city is known as the city of lake? Which city is known as the city of lakes? Lucknow, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Chennai. The correct answer is
Udaipur.
yes, Udaipur. Now just tell me, which city we known as city of dreams? Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, या Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Which one? Yes, Mumbai. Mumbai is a city of dreams. Okay, now we going the next one. Next is banana city. Banana city is Jalgaon. Jalgaon is the largest seventh banana city. Dhyan, stop doing this. So Jalgaon is the seventh largest bananas growing. That's why we call the bananas city. That's why we call the banana city. Got it? Got it, everyone? Any problem? Any doubt? Okay. Now we're going for the next. Wine city of India. Wine city of India is Nasik. Wine city of India is Nasik. Because in a too much growing the deep roasted, okay, means there are 700 meters to grow the deepness which is made for wine. That's what we call the wine city of India. Wine city of India is Nasik. Clear? Now, Chaur, can you read the 16th one? Space City, Science City, Garden City of India, Silicon Valley of India. First, Space City, because NASA, ISRO, it's the head branch in Bangalore. That's why we call the Space City and the Science City. Okay? Garden City of India, because in a Bangalore, very beautiful gardens, and the one is famous park. This is Carbon Park, Lal Bagh Botanical Park, and Memorial Park. These are some famous parks in Bangalore. That's why we call the Garden City, Garden City of India. So you just learn any one name, because there are more than 2 or 3 names. You just learn any of them. Now we move for the next. Next was Rome of the East and the Bank of India. Indian Bank. That is Mangalore. Mangalore is also situated in a Bangalore. This is the one city of Bangalore. And this bank is Asian, is end of the freedom. That's why it's called Rome of the East, because their culture, their religions, most of the Rome persons, that is called Rome of the East. Now we move for the next. Switch on the camera, everyone. Scotland of India. See, why we call Scotland? because of her beauty. Because of her beauty. Many small mountains, and in the sea, you can see the mountain touch the sky, and the very small, some small mountains, some lands. That's why we call Scotland of India. And the most thing there is coffee platinum also. Next is Sandalwood City, Missouri. Sandalwood City, Missouri, because sandalwood means chandan. Sandalwood means chandan. And the Missouri is the biggest use of the chandan, and the buildings is all a color of the chandan. That's why we call the Sandalwood City. Got it? Got it, everyone? And after 5 minutes, the meeting will be end. So join the same link again, everyone. Now move to the next. City of Palace and the City of Joy. City of Palace means the Victoria Palace and the famous Victoria Palace, Fort William, this some marble palace, this palace in a Kolkata. That's why we call the City of Palace. And the Kolkata's famous festival is Durga Puja, Christmas, Eid. It's this city we celebrate all kind of festivals with a high but that's why we call City of Joy. City of Joy. Got it? Now the next is Land of Black Diamond. Land of Black Diamond means it's coals. Coals ko we call the land Black Diamond. This is and so it's a West Bengal one city that rub the coal, product making the coal. That's why we call Land of Black Diamond. Land of Black Diamond. Okay? Got it? Everyone? Sure? Understood?
Yes.
Dhyan, understood? Kanishka, understood?
Yes.
Okay, Kanishka, understood? Okay, now move for the next. Okay. Now, the next is, wait a second. I just share my screen again. Just wait. Now you can see my screen properly. Everyone, you can see my screen properly.
Yes.
Okay. Next is City of Destiny and the Goa of the East. This is Visakhapatnam. This is Visakhapatnam. See, City of Destiny because its name Vishakha. Vishakha means the Hindus' god. Vishakha means the Hindus' god. And we call Goa of the East because in their east, one famous city, Vizag, and the beautiful things, beaches. That's why we call the city of Goa of the East. Goa of the East. Now, move for the next. That is City of Pearls and High Tech City. City of Pearls means pearl is a kind of diamond, and high tech city because most important information, engineering, computer science work in that city. That's why we call high tech city, and the working most buying the pearls, throwing the pearls. That's why city of pearls. Next is Queen of Arabian Sea, that is Kochi. The Queen of Arabian Sea, that is Kochi. In the 14th century, there were basic spices and the historical places, economical thing. The Kochi was very strong. That's why we call Queen of Arabian Sea because it's very strong, it's very beautiful. Even today also, its beaches, fun, historical places, fundamentals. So that's why we call city Queen of Arabian Sea. Now move to the next is Calicut. Calicut is a city of